The solo spouse workshop has just blown me. I've spent years just feeling isolated, not talking much to people about what had happened, and just being really confused. I've been standing for my relationship, but I kind of ended up sitting on the fence, and the clarity that I've just gained from going through this is tremendous, and it's definitely improved my confidence. It's given me a framework of how to move forward. I didn't imagine that there was a framework for reconciling, and that's where we had gotten lost. We just signed up for couples counselling and waited. We really didn't know what to do. And it's just, I've read so many books, listened to so many podcasts, and tried many programs before this, 4 or 5. And finally, I feel like I came home. I found the one that worked for me. Yeah, I still don't know what decision I'm going to make, but the fact that I feel I've got choices now, I've got a system for moving forward, is what I was lacking. I feel slightly less on the fence tonight, finishing this 3-day workshop. So thank you. Thanks a lot.
I just want to say the Marriage Helper online workshop was really beneficial to me. I feel like I have a game plan moving forward now. It's definitely helped me a lot with personal growth, and just the whole, from the convenience of your own home, interactive experience has been really good and really beneficial to me. And I highly recommend it for anybody on the fence or anybody that's looking to save their marriage. Thank you.
So originally, when I was offered to do the solo workshop, I was not interested. I was not inspired, but I was desperate. And so I agreed to it, and I signed on at least a month before our entire country had to go under quarantine. And so it really worked out to be able to follow through with it, because it ended up on Zoom, and I had the opportunity to listen to a lot of other people. It helped me not feel alone. The biggest impact for me was that there were so many tremendous tools that I was exposed to I wasn't expecting. For me personally, I understood much more deeply the process of reconciliation and what's appropriate, and that's something I'm looking forward to using as of this taping. And I can say it's well worth it, because you walk away with hope, you walk away with encouragement, and you walk away much more stronger, as another member had shared, the confidence to be able, to make decisions now, because you know so much more.
I would highly recommend the Solo Marriage Helper Workshop. It doesn't matter if you're a young person or more of a senior person, such as myself, that has been involved in a 28-year relationship marriage that is having problems. It is full of information and camaraderie, and it'll give you a lot of information on what to do next to improve yourself and to work to hopefully have a successful resolution to your situation.
Hi, my name is Reka. I live in Switzerland, in Geneva, and I was lucky to get one of the last spots at the very first solo spouse workshop. It was a lovely experience. I enjoyed every minute of it. I learned a lot, and the objective of these 3 days, I think, is to get to learn, to get to know yourself better, and to understand your situation better, and to give you materials to cope better. And it did all that for me. Already on the first day, there were a couple of concepts or material that was an eye-opening. Despite having already done the online course and read Dr. Bean's book, there was just more material and more information. The breakout groups help to reflect upon how to actually implement these strategies or material to ourselves, and to understand, how we can benefit from all this information that we received constantly new information. I must say it was a lovely experience, and I was so disappointed when it ended, and I wished that it could have continued. I felt very connected to the other participants and to Dr. Beam, who took his time to answer our questions. And I must say that even though being on another continent, it was just a lovely experience. Thank you.
Oh, the solo workshop, absolutely wonderful. Definitely inspiring, hope. The support that you will receive from taking this workshop will be phenomenal. You're able to have a more intimate connection with the host and with the breakout sessions. It gives the tools that you will receive alone will just encourage yourself and look at even yourself in a different way, to give yourself that hope that you need or that you're looking for. Highly, highly recommend the solo workshop.
So I just want to say thank you so very much. We began this solo spouse workshop, a collective group. Some of us were newly standing for our marriages, some longtime standers, some were just on the fence. But at the conclusion of our 3 intensive days, really we feel like family, and we have support, and we're doing life together. There's been so much goodness, so much respect. It's a safe space for everyone, no matter what your age, your stage, your season. There was so much wisdom, understanding, knowledge, full education, such support. We had courage in our breakout sessions to be vulnerable and to wait well and be respectful and each, just hold the space for everybody else. We also experienced, deep respect, laughter. There was love and appreciation. I come away with such clarity, a sense of peace, hope. There's a path. There's a real path. And I have acceptance for that process. So thank you so very much. Thank you so very much.
So I decided to go to the solo workshop because I knew I needed help. And when I asked my husband to come to the couples, he flat out said, "No way, Jose." So I came to this for myself. And my husband moved out of the house 4 days before, and I was wondering, is it really worth it? Should I really bother, given that he's left? But I thought I'll do it for myself to help my next relationship, whether it's going to be with my husband if he comes back, or if it's going to be with another person, so I don't repeat the same things. And I've learned so much, and because it's condensed, it kind of sticks in your head. And it was great to meet other people and be be inspired by other people who are at different levels. And I've come out knowing what I want to do, which is I'm going to remain standing. And that was not a decision that I made before the workshop.